Join me as I put castor oil to the test and see if it can really reverse aging for those over 50. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health issues, and recently, it's gained popularity for its potential anti-aging benefits. With its growing popularity, I wanted to dive deeper into the world of castor oil and explore its uses, specifically for those over 50. As we age, our skin undergoes significant changes. Wrinkles start to form, our skin becomes drier, and it loses its natural elasticity. These changes can be challenging, especially when you're in your 50s and you're not sure how to tackle them. For many of us, it can be frustrating to look in the mirror and notice those fine lines and wrinkles that seem to appear overnight. It's like our skin is screaming for help, and we're not sure how to respond. One of the biggest challenges of aging skin is the loss of collagen and elastin, which are essential proteins that keep our skin firm and supple. As we age, the production of these proteins slows down, leading to sagging skin and a more aged appearance. Additionally, the skin's natural barrier function weakens, making it more prone to dryness and irritation. Aging skin can also lead to a loss of confidence, making us feel like we're no longer the vibrant, energetic person we used to be. It's like our skin is holding us back from living our best lives, and it's a frustrating feeling to deal with. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, an omega-9 fatty acid that has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It's also packed with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, which can damage our skin cells and accelerate aging. The antioxidants in castor oil can help neutralize these free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting healthy skin cells. Castor oil's fatty acids can also help to lock in moisture, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. By keeping the skin hydrated, castor oil can improve skin elasticity, making it look more youthful and supple. Moreover, the antioxidants in castor oil can help reduce inflammation, which can lead to skin issues like acne, rosacea, and eczema. The antioxidants in castor oil can also help to improve skin tone, reducing the appearance of age spots and hyperpigmentation. By promoting healthy skin cells, castor oil can give the skin a more even tone, making it look brighter and more radiant. Studies have shown that castor oil can significantly improve skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In one study, participants who used castor oil on their skin for 6 weeks saw a significant improvement in skin hydration and elasticity. Another study found that castor oil reduced inflammation and improved skin barrier function, making it an effective treatment for acne and other skin issues. But don't just take my word for it. I've talked to several people who have used castor oil to combat aging skin, and their testimonials are incredible. One woman told me that she noticed a significant improvement in her skin tone and texture after using castor oil for just a few weeks. Another person said that it helped reduce her fine lines and wrinkles, giving her a more youthful appearance. In conclusion, castor oil is a natural and accessible solution for those looking to combat aging skin. With its rich antioxidants and fatty acids, it's a potent tool in the fight against wrinkles, dryness, and loss of elasticity. Whether you're looking to improve skin tone, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, or simply feel more confident in your own skin, castor oil is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Have you tried using castor oil for your skin? Share your experiences and tips with the community. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks, and check out my other videos for related content.